Okay, so we're on assembly step 6 now. You need 2 of your threaded rods, 400mm long, which is your longest ones in your kit. You need 2 of them, 12 M8 washers and 12 M8 nuts. So what we'll do first is we're gonna, if you look at the washers, you've got one side that's a bit rough and you've got one side that's nice and smooth. So what you want to do is keep the 2 smoothest faces together. So I'm going to put 2 on first like that, and then I'm going to put an M8 nut on either end of the first bar. Just wind that down to somewhere around the middle. Doesn't have to be spot on. Then you want another M8 nut on the other end there. Let's wind that in a bit. And you're going to want another M8 nut on either end again. Just wind that in a bit. Don't want to go too far with these next lot. And you're going to want another 2 washers, shiny smooth side into each other again on one end, followed by another M8 nut, and the same on the other side. So you want another 2 washers, shiny smooth faces into each other on the end, another M8 nut, and then we're going to repeat that for the other threaded bar. So 2 shiny side in and towards the middle, 1 knot on either end, wind it in there somewhere towards the middle, same on the other side, another knot, just wind that in again. And then you want another knot on each end. Too far in again. Then you want another set of 2 washers, shiny smooth side facing together on that end, followed by a nut, and the same again, shiny sides touching, facing each other on the end, and another nut. And then next, what we're going to need, you're also going to need your little spanner that came in a kit. We're going to need the 2 assembly parts that we've already put together. So you're going to need the front plate with the bearing at the front here like that, and then you're going to want to put this rod, is going to sit in here like so. So you want to undo this first nut that we've put on and the first washer, push that in there like so, and just put the washer with the shiny nice surface back in again on the other end. Just loosely put the nut back on, because we're going to have to do some adjustment. Then what we're going to have to do, lift it up, put the next 2 washers in line either side of the face here again, and then we're going to pull this rod as far forward as we can, unscrew it so that the nut's on there, and you've got maybe 2 or 3 mil of thread showing out of the back there, and then we're going to tighten that nut up, just finger tight, up to the other side, and then the next one up, just push it up to there. You don't want to put too much force on that because you'll start pushing the frame out, and then your next nut here, the washer, up to that side again, and then wind that nut back down. And again, just finger tight. And then we're going to repeat the process for put the other side again, so you can always take that first nut off on the first washer. Then we're going to put it through the hole in the back plate and sit it on there like that. Washer back on the back, followed by the nut. Just leave yourself about 3mm of thread out the back there. Slide it up, push the washer up to that back plate, and then screw that back in there, up to the plate again. Just do it up finger tight. Then you're going to want to make sure your washers, one washer's to the inside, the other's to the outside, and then just bring this nut up again, not too tight that it pushes the frame out, and wind the next nut in on the opposite side. Tighten that up. So the next thing I want to do is we want the front plate that's got the bearing rollers on. The rollers want to be towards the front of the frame, so you're going to want to take one nut off there and one washer, and the same on the opposite side, one nut and one washer, and then you're going to want to slide this in through these outer holes here, not the top ones, the outer ones towards the bottom. So just slide that on there, put one of your washers back on, shiny face towards the plastic, same with the other side, shiny face on the washer towards the plastic. Just going to screw that on, so there's about 3mm of thread again each side. Push that plate up, push the next washer up on one side, and screw that nut back up. And I'm going to do the same with the other side, and just push that back up. I'm just going to finger tighten them a bit. There we go. Just going to give them all a nip with the spanner, so they're all securely in place. Like so. And that's assembly step 6 completed. Now we'll move on to assembly step 7.